Many people go to the gym, waste time, money, and don't achieve the results they desire. The big question is your workout aligned with your goals? How can you tell if your workout is bad? In this video, I'll show you 6 signs that your workout is weak. A weak and incorrect workout hinders you from reaching your goal, so pay attention to the first point. 1. You've been training for a while and haven't seen much progress? This could be a sign of a weak workout. Weightlifting sets are composed of exercises distributed into sets, with a predetermined rest time between sets. Taking into consideration that a set is a fraction of the workout, if the sets are well executed and have good intensity, it signals that your workout was strong. In other words, you can perform the movement with perfect technique but experience muscular discomfort, indicating intensity. The more discomfort without compromising the movement's technique, the higher the intensity and strength of the workout. 2. When you finish doing the exercise, you need to feel the muscle tense. If you finished the exercise and didn't feel anything or hardly felt anything, your workout is weak. The set is for 10 repetitions, and you can easily do 15 repetitions. It's a sign that you are generating little tension. 3. Not feeling the muscular pump. The pump is the feeling of the muscle being filled with blood. When the work is intense, blood is directed to the muscle group being exercised so that the involved muscles are nourished and can overcome resistance. If the exercise is not intense enough, the blood flow will also be small, and there won't be a momentary swelling of the muscles, meaning there won't be a pump. 4. Finishing the workout and feeling weak, with the impression of trembling and the muscle groups being slightly uncoordinated, is a sign that the workout was intense. But if you finish the workout and feel like you're waking up in the morning, your workout is weak. 5. Not getting out of breath. Especially in large muscle groups such as quadriceps, back, chest, etc. The heart needs to beat stronger and faster to send oxygen through the blood to the muscles. The larger the muscle group, the faster the heart beats, and the more breathless the person becomes. If your set doesn't accelerate your heart, your set is weak. 6. Feeling the day after that you worked out. You don't need to have highly sore muscles, but stretching in the morning and feeling that your muscles have been trained is indicative of a strong workout. The idea is not to be able to perform the same workout with the same weights the next day. If you can do that, your workout is weak. Some muscles are more difficult to feel delayed onset muscle soreness because they have a larger muscle mass and hardly enter into acidosis, like the back muscles, for example. On the other hand, the biceps, being smaller, is more common to feel soreness since it is a smaller muscle group. When we take the muscles out of their comfort zone, there is tissue breakdown, leading to an inflammatory response that causes pain. Keep in mind that these tips are only for people who have passed the adaptation phase. In the beginning, it's essential to focus on learning the perfect execution of the exercises, and for that, the workout needs to be weaker. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.